Okay, so once you are done with your elevation for the north, south, west, and east views, then you can set up your layout. So we have here a layout called CADEXr5. So you can change this now to CAD exercise 5. Okay, elevations, and you can create viewports. Now, here, notice that our elevations are all inverted. So you cannot actually show them by simply creating one viewport. You actually need to create 4 viewports. Here's the nice thing about viewport. Kindly check, kindly look. If I type PL, that's the polyline command, I can actually create any shape, C to close, and convert this into a viewport. So I can maybe create a letter R or letter or any shape that I want, and then say MV, okay, object, select the object, and that becomes a viewport, right? So that's nice. One nice thing about viewports. But here, I only need actually to create a viewport, MV. I just wanted to show that. But in the viewport command or make view command, there's an option here that says 4, number 4. Okay, so I can click that or type 4, and all I need to do is create a rectangle from the bottom to the top, and it creates 4 equally spaced viewports. So I can place this in the viewport layer, which I don't have now. So again, more layers to come. So one more layer, viewport, Alt N, sorry, Alt N, here it is, viewports, any color, doesn't really matter. I'll say cyan, and I'll say non-printable as well. So I don't want it to print. Okay, so I'll place this in the viewport layer, and I'll say by layer. Okay, then I'm going to say this will be my view for my north elevation. Let's say north, south. So I'll place here my north elevation, rotate this. Okay, rotate, turn my guideline on. Okay, and then say scale 1 to 100. Okay, so that's scale 1 to 100. That's my north elevation. And then I can type here UCS view. Okay, so that's my north elevation. And then I'll place here my south elevation. So south elevation is already properly oriented. So I'll just say scale 1 to 100, align it using the guideline, move it up a little bit, align it, okay, and then say UCS view. So the coordinate system here in the south is properly oriented. If I go to the north, it's also properly oriented. So per view has its proper user coordinate system. Then I go here. I'll say this will be my west elevation. West elevation. So I'll rotate this. Wrong rotation. Rotate here and there. Okay? So west elevation. So this will be where my west elevation is. I'll scale it. Scale 1 to 100. Okay? And this is already properly oriented. So that's good. I'll go here. This will be my east elevation. So east is right here. So I'll rotate it downward. So that's my east elevation. Scale this. Plot scale 1 to 100. Align the two. This is where my east elevation is going to be. It's already properly oriented, so that's good. Okay? And you're ready to print once all the drawings are completed. So you can say plot, preview, and notice that the viewport lines are not showing, the guidelines are not showing, and you will have 4 elevations. You need a dimension, okay? And change this to CAD exercise 5 elevations. And of course, your class number as well, class code. Okay? So that's for setting the layout tab.